get up to the fence and stop. Good girl. It's all right. Just peel him off and bring him back. Haley. It's all right. Get his head. That's a girl. Fan him out. Fan him out. Fan him out. Get everybody off of him. Good girl. Okay. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Now get across. Get across. Good girl. Okay. Stay. Okay, you got a little bit behind him. Okay. Atta girl. Get to his head. Turn. Push.
Get behind him.
Okay. Okay, take him back. Take him back.
Take them all back.
Just use that one. You got one right here, Haley.
Haley, let's just use this little pepper. To the fence, to the fence. Get here. Atta girl. Okay, I'm gonna turn him. Get up there, good. To the fence. Good job. Turn, turn, turn. Watch him. Okay. Ready, turn. To the fence, to the fence. Push him out again. Push him out. There you go. Get him. Across. Across. Good job. Okay. Pull back. Did you get him cutting back?
Yeah.